All right, with this WESH2 Facebook Live update, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Mainolfi. Hope you guys are having a good Tuesday. Nice change in the environment out there today. A little bit less humid and certainly cooler than yesterday. Front is now well to the south of Central Florida, which is some good news there. Hey, we have some changes coming in. This is a very rapid-fire type of weather pattern where the weather's changing quickly. Jeff Neighbors, Karen Rasmussen, good to have you folks in here. Appreciate you, as always, popping in and saying hi. So we're going to get a little rain in here again tomorrow with even some late-day showers and storms after we were briefly cooler today. So that's, again, not going to be with us very long. However, there's another shot of colder air coming that will last a little bit longer. I'll talk about that here in a second. Janet Hale, Miguel Orama, Michael Stringer, Diane Cormier, Colleen O'Neill, Marilyn Giroux up there in Ocala. Good to have you folks in here. Nicole Ramirez, Nikki, hope you're doing well. Bill Bushman, a few showers in the afternoon, could even be a few thunder showers, especially on the eastern side of the peninsula. Sue Raymond, Margaret Nolan, Carol Bush have popped in. Kathleen Michelle, good to have you. Anita Braddock has popped in, and again, good group in here already on a Monday night. Loving this. Lisa Martinez, Karen Kustra. Hope you guys had a good Tuesday. You guys were almost at the hump of the week, Wednesday. Katie Snyder, good to have you there. Juan Galvin has popped in. So is Tom Drab. Good to have you guys. Appreciate you popping in. So here's the deal. Candy Fries popped in. Again, we're in this very fast and fickle time of the year where things change quickly. There's our front. But when you look off towards the south and the west, and I'll do my little bit of drawing in here. There's another feature here that's going to take a track like this and produce another winter storm with snow up in here. And then for us, as the storm rounds the curve here, what will happen is it'll throw back some rain our way. So again, for the time being, we're a little bit cooler, a little bit drier for the time being. Short-lived though, it's not going to last very long. Temps outside are a little bit cooler. Erica Wynn, Marilyn Jew, Robin Harris, Wendy Campbell, all popping in. Look at that. It's 30 in New Orleans, 34 in Mobile, 39 in Panama City, 54 now in Ocala, 66 in Orlando. And when we zoom it in, you're welcome, Erica. Wendy Campbell, good to have you there. Aaron Craycraft, Miguel, Howard Maynard, all popping in. Appreciate you guys popping in, saying hi. So there's the 50s currently in Ocala, 60s here. Let's take a look at the setup here for tonight, and then we're going to talk about the changes. So we think 46 tomorrow in Ocala. We think about 55 in Orlando, near 60 in Palm Bay and Melbourne. Christina Garcia, Martha, Perry Coach, Austin Boggs have popped in. All right, so here's the deal. Here's a look at Futurecast. So watch what happens here. A few showers kicking in the morning. Then we get you into the afternoon, a little more instability. Starting to get a couple showers, starting to get a couple of storms, especially I-4 and east. And then when you take a look at the rainfall potential here, there may be some pockets of an inch in one or two locales tomorrow, especially through Osceola and Brevard County. You guys are the favorite areas for a little more heavier rain. Sharon McLoof, Miguel, Nell Marie, Santos, Rovira. It was crazy. So AC can go off again. AC is going to go back on again because we're going to be in the mid-80s on Thursday. But tonight you're fine. Yes, correct. Melbourne, Pam Aller. Pam, hope I said that last name correctly. Appreciate you. Popping in. And here's the reason why. We've got this little front, this warm front, that's lifting north. And along it, sometimes you can get these showers in the storm. So when we take a look at the golfing forecast, the planet for tomorrow, 64, a few showers in the morning, a couple of isolated storms in the afternoon. A little different, though, up towards Ocala. Joe Hernandez, Stephanie Buca Morales, Pam Ritchie. It's La Nina, Wendy, yes. Thursday rain chances are going to be a little bit lower because we're going to be a little bit hotter. I'm going to break that down for you here, too, in a second. So Ocala, a few showers. Notice the temperatures in the 60s. Daytona Beach, maybe an isolated thunderstorm around 65. And then you head south. Check this out. Look at Melbourne. Middle upper 70s to near 80 with a few afternoon showers and storms. Patty Lindsay, Leandro Santos, Erica Wynn, Jeff Neighbors. Leandro, good to have you there. Now, let's take a look at these highs for tomorrow. The farther north you go, the cooler it will be. So upper 60s to around 70 in Marion County. Then as you work your way south, those temps will climb. That is correct, Beverly. Victoria Harrison Magoo has popped in. Vicky Hill has also popped in. Victor, Vicinator, Vicalina. Always a pleasure to have you. Let's take a look now at this next system. So the warm front goes all the way north. Cold front starts coming into the picture here. Thursday is going to be warm with a couple of isolated late day showers and storms. And then Thursday night and Friday, here comes that cold front with another line of showers and storms. In Davenport, it was crazy, says No Marie Santos. No Marie, how is the WESH2 signal down your way? Did you pick us up okay? Or do you watch TV or is everything online? Just out of curiosity. I'm making some Bustelo. Ooh, Lisa, sign me up for that. I am in. Look at Lily making me some coffee. All right, so we have a race on Friday. Check this out. The Break Best Select 159 at the Speedway. Hello, Fruitland Park. Mani is in the house. Rain ending Friday, early evening. Breezy and cooler. Definitely need a jacket. Everyone enjoying Mardi Gras. There you go. Pammy, love that. Come back and do the weather in West Virginia. It's like 19. Stephanie. Steph, I'm going to stick with the warmer weather. You can come down here and I'll do the weather for you down here. How about that? Or on Facebook Live. That's very nice and kind of you, by the way. Dina, how much snow you got on the ground up there? Thank you, Dina. Joe, Ryan, Grody, good to have you there, Ryan. All right, now, so behind, look at these cold temperatures Saturday morning now behind that front. Working in Palm Bay next week. Palm Bay next week looks warmer. All right. 37 in Ocala, 38 in the Villages, 39 Wildwood, 40 to 45 along I-4, middle upper 40s, Titusville to Palm Bay. Ocala tomorrow, a few showers, Joyce, for you. Let's take a look at the weekend. Because as Loverboy says, everybody's working for the weekend. Taco Tuesday. Now, I know, Stephanie, you can. I really appreciate it. Deborah, Colette, thank you, young lady. Appreciate you. There's our high. Pulls away. Good weekend weather there. Now, we've got a couple more races this weekend. No, they're not the Daytona 500s, but, we got the NASCAR Xfinity Series. The Superstart batteries 188, by the way, for you NASCAR fans. 58, 57, 52. And then on Sunday, we got the O'Reilly Auto Parts 253 NASCAR Cup Series, by the way. I'm not really sleepy. I just ate. Every time I eat, I yawn afterwards. So there you go. Perfect weather for the race on Sunday. Now, a couple 5-day forecasts here. Look at Ocala. Booyah! Look at that. We go from 46 to 84, back down to 37. Ay, caramba, muy frío. I like coffee any day, says Marilyn. Donna, I'm doing good. Cooler, yes, briefly. Then we warm up tomorrow afternoon and Thursday, only to cool right back down heading into the upcoming weekend. Heather Hen, could be a few strong storms in Osceola, Brevard, Eastern Orange, and maybe Southern Volusia County. And then look at Daytona, 83 to 42. Highs this weekend, 59 only on Saturday. Ruthie Morshed Rivera, Ryan Grody, good to have you there. And then we get to the Villages. Boom, 48 to 85, down to 38 come Saturday morning. And then there's Melbourne, 59 to 87 on Thursday, 49-50 Saturday morning. Now, longer range, for those of you who may be coming in February, March, look at it. Look at that. Colder out west, warmer out east. A little pattern shift here. There you go, Jacksonville, Tampa. So that's the temps. Rainfall, though, is going to be lower for us. It is going to be lower. There you have that. Now, here's a peek at that updated 7-day forecast. Lauren Wienens, watching from Ocala. I thought you were in New Smyrna Beach. Lauren, are you tricking? Are you trying to trick me, Lauren? What's going on? How was your weekend, too, by the way? Good to have you in here. And people are getting a lot of Hours are starting to come down. We still have a fair number of cases, but I think they're starting to come down. Out of the yes, Shelley, there you go. Briefly, and then check it out. Cooler weather. Yep, Pam, had some good showers and storms yesterday. Thankfully, only 1 or 2 severe storms. 76 on Monday, another cold front coming in, but not drastic. Now, let's talk about the country here as a whole. 420 comes, yes, Ryan, you do your thing. Denellen's in the house. Terry Lottie getting her fair share of rain last night. There's our next weather maker. Look at all that snow out west. Colorado, Utah, Wyoming, Idaho, with that big snowstorm pulling out of Canada. Lake effect snow guns going there. Evening to you, Crystal. Sleep well, says Erica. I'm visiting. Okay, aha! You go, Lauren. Who are you visiting, by the way? Who's over in Ocala, Lauren? Ocala, Florida's in the house. Mike Sarju has popped in. He's a Lakers fan. All right, temps, check it. Here we go. Booyah! The 66 in Orlando, 3 degrees below zero in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Ay, caramba. Muy frío. Me no likey. 19 in Billings, 7 above in Minneapolis. Take care, Donna. West Weather Nation. Yes, Miguel, that is correct. Now, snowpack, this is really good for the middle of February. Holy mackerel. Look at that. Look at how much of the United States is covered in snow. Clear down to southeast Texas, right there on the water. It's cray-cray. There you go. Barbara Cern, I'd rather be in Florida than up north. Yes. Hillary Anderson, I'm in Ocala. A lot of Ocalans in here. Love that. You're welcome, Colleen. Krista Sterling, there you go. So large snowpack, cold air, and there you have it. Some deep snowpack there across the Great Lakes, the Ohio Valley, the Northeast, and out west. That's correct, Terry. Good wind, but nothing more than that. So yeah, that is it's a very large area of the United States has snow on the ground. This is about as good as it gets here in the United States during the winter. That is correct, Vicky. Yes, Marisol Cortez has popped in. It's a very large area of snow on the ground for sure. Now, let's do this. Let's take a look now at the temperatures around the good old US of A. Mark Talio has popped in. 14 below in Point Barrow. 38 degrees below zero in Fort Ross, Canada. 20 below in Baker Lake. 4 below in Winnipeg. 3 below in Sioux Falls. 14 in Memphis. Still 17 in Dallas. Finally above freezing in Houston, just barely. And Boston's at 37. Buffalo, Toronto, and Ottawa. Low teens, I should say there. Carla Dean has popped in. Carla, good to have you there. Houston's 33. Orlando, 66. Nassau in the Bahamas, 77. Belize is 82. Jose Diaz, good to have you there, my friend. 81 in Kingston, 81 in Panama City. Bogota, Colombia, 57. Caracas, Venezuela, 81. La Paz, Bolivia, 48. Asuncion, Paraguay, 79. Buenos Aires at 73. Punta Arenas, 55. Cape Town, 66. Look at northeastern Africa. Chile and Cairo at 48. Rabat, Morocco, 55. Orgula, 41. Stephen Luciano, good to have you there. Look at Berlin, 36. Oslo, 27. Moscow, 9. Baghdad, Abami, 72. Baku, 39. Surgut, coming in at 27 below. Yakutsk, coming in at 38 degrees below zero. Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia, 9 below. Bratsk, 12 above. Seoul and Beijing, 18 above. There we go. That's right, Sue. That is correct. 18 in Seoul, 52 in Tokyo. Hong Kong, 66. Kuala Lumpur, 77. Makassar, 79. Alice Springs down under 90. Adelaide coming in at 95 degrees. Woo! That's just a wee bit chilly. Not. Kealoe is in the house. There we go. So we go from minus 38 to 90 above. Danny, good to have you there, my friend. So there it is. That's that. Now, again, back to our weather here. It's cooling down. We're chillier tonight, no doubt about that. 54 Ocala, 66 in Orlando, 71 in Melbourne. When you take a look at the futurecast, clouds start coming back in and lifting up north, produces a couple of showers, and then potentially by the afternoon, a couple of little thunder showers there. Kealoe Kai Moon has popped in. 3 triple purple hearts. Gonna like that. Rainfall amounts here, looking like this. Could be some heavier stuff there. Over towards Osceola and Brevard County come tomorrow afternoon. So that's what we're going to be watching there. And then as we wrap this up here with the 7-day forecast, there you go. Boom. So you can see we do warm up big time from Wednesday into Thursday, 76 to 86. Diane Mathers. And that's a little strange, Diane, because you've had some rain. Pollen's up, but that doesn't dictate air quality. So I'm not sure what's going on. Let me do a little digging there for you, see what I can find. Friday, cold front arrives, 75 early on, and then dropping throughout the course of the afternoon. And that sets us up big time for the weekend. Gorgeous weather. If you're going to any of the races up there at Daytona, getting outdoor activities, or maybe you're having a garage sale. Who knows? 65 Saturday, 73 on Sunday. A 30% chance of showers on Monday, and then turning a little bit cooler there as we get you into the middle of next week. All right. 18 in Southern Ohio, says Jamie Pennington, and a good amount of snow on the ground there, right, James? All right, let me rock and roll, shake and bake. I'm going to make some updates here for tonight's 10 and 11. We got pollen, we've got juniper, grass, and let me see here. I had the pollen in there real quick. Let me get that pollen. Juniper. It was juniper, grass, and oak. That was the other one. There we go, the oak. So the pollen level is going to be going right back up. All right, gang, let me rock and roll, shake and bake. I will talk to you all tomorrow night. Lauren Wienans. Hope I said that right. Lauren. Grazie paparazzi. Appreciate you popping in. Don't forget to like and follow the page if you haven't done so already. Lauren, Daniel, Bebs, Miguel. All right, guys. See you tonight at 10 on the CW18 and or WESH2 News at 11. And then right back here again tomorrow night around 8 o'clock. Toodles. Ta-ta.